Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Instagram. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open your Instagram app. If you have previously logged into other accounts from your device, then you can see the accounts that you have logged into from this device. But since we are creating a new account, you have to tap on Create New Account. You can create new account either with the help of a phone number or with your email address. If you are going to use your mobile number, then you have to type your mobile number here. And if you are using your email, tap sign up with email address. You have to type your email address here. Tap on next when you are done. And after that, you will receive a 6-digit code in your email address. Check your email inbox and copy the code here. When you are done, tap on next. And then you will need to set a password for your account. Make sure the password is strong and also easy for you to remember for future login purposes. Tap on next. Here you have to state your birth date. You can scroll down the option of year, day and month. When you are done, tap on next. And then you have to enter your full name. Type your full name and tap on next. You will also need to choose a username for your account. You can use the one that is suggested by Instagram or also customize it. And then after, you have to agree with Instagram's terms and policies. You just need to tap on I agree. And then Instagram will ask you if you want to allow it access to your contacts. You can either choose to allow or don't allow. If you allow, then your contacts will know that you are on Instagram now. And then you can choose the people that you want to follow. And that's it. You have now created your Instagram account. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.